Hayi vatsonga ka hina i Manyangazi the Commissar. So long as you subscribe and kombela subscriber. Send whale by popular demand. This clip yola ku mi tivisa ku I'm back and I'll continue doing social music analysis and music analysis only. So there are certain issues leti ni lavaka ku ti raise sweswiwani ta ti vuyela kahle one. Firstly, laha u nga khale kha vona ti-videos ta mina now for more than 6 years. For sure ku na one thing lexi ni tshamaka kha ni xi vula and a ni tshama kha ni xi vula ni vulavula hi ku Electro will one day overtake Ndzumba. I've warned artists ta ku tala, I've warned the legends ta le Popo Poison ni vulavuli ko tala kusukusela 4 years back kha ni vulavula hi Electro one day yi ta fika yi dominate over Ndzumba. Now hi le ku hanyeni ka that reality. Loko mo langutisa kahle these boys va nga fika lexi gaza xi ngo xigaza xa ma 2K or that sound leyi nga kona sweswiwani mi kuma ku only 3 singles ti fika ti ba the last 2 projects ta Prince Rangani in numbers. Numbers matters the most, and secondly impact on the ground. And these last 2 albums were produced by Limpopo Poison. So what does it say about their sound? What does it say about their creativity? Ndavuya ka yona yeleyo. Ntonga ku na swilo swo tala leswi nga ku cinceni music wa Xitsonga event wise, music. I think sound leya ya khale leya ti katara na yona i chance ya yona to bounce back and overtake Ndzumba, because Ndzumba wu fika wu va overcrowded. Why? Because va Benny Mayengani wa Mr Post na va Josh Rimani va fika va inspire ti-artist to talo. Se ti-artist leti hinkwato ti lava ku tlanga line, ku ti tlanga line ya vona, se that industry kumbexana that sound yi fika yi va overcrowded. Loko yi va overcrowded se ku sungula ku tlangiwa swilo swin'we because there's no new beat here, there's no new sound, there's no new key leyi hi nga yi twaka va nga yi tisaku. Mara vafana lavawani va fambaka hi that 3 step ya Vked, they're always coming up with something new. That's the reason they're dominating. Secondly, they're connecting with the audience. Va yimbelela leswi audience yi lavaka swona, a va stick to beefy. That's one thing lexi dlayaka Ndzumba. But I'm just doing this video to say I'm back. I think the next video I'll also do Deliver Makhuvele album review. Ntanga ku sound liya tlanga go deliver, it's coming back to dominate. Kwene to fall. Then you listen to that kind of a sound. Ku slowly bouncing back because I overcrowded unlike Ndzumba. No? So loko mi lava promotion mi kuma ka 064 968 9940. I'm now back. Nga worry quality ya video ta va kha swi improve by time. Lexi a xi endla ni nga ha post i ku loko ni cheka ti-video ta mina ni kuma ku 70% of the videos that I made a ti vulavula hi Benny Mayengani na Mr Post. Benny Mayengani Mr Post, loko nga ri Benny Mayengani na Mr Post i Soul Makam na Oscar Makam, se a swi gina swi ni borha ku I can't be speaking about vanhu valava for 6 years hinkwayo. So a ni nga ha ri hava lexi a ni ta tela xona because mina swa music analysis a ni swi endleli ngopfu mali. I'm just doing it because I'm passionate about Xitsonga music. Se a swi gina swi ni borha swi dlayi na passion ya mina because vulavula hi swilo swin'we, vulavula hi vanhu van'we a wu gina u borheka man. It's more like you're worshiping them. So now game yi cincile. Now a ka ha tirhi ti-brands, you can just talk about any song or anyone and people will listen. I'm now back for that. Hi vatsonga ka hina Manyangazi the Commissar. Loko la promotion maka 064 968 9940. Sharp.